What's up guys, it's Yerk here with your key tips to grow on YouTube, and today I'm going to clear up some of the biggest misconceptions that people have about starting a YouTube channel in 2021, and by the end of this video, you'll know everything that you need to know to get started. But before we do get started, you guys know the deal. If this video helps you out at any point, do me a favor, drop a like, hit subscribe, do all that good stuff, leave a comment down below, share it with a friend. It really helps me out a lot. The first and biggest misconception that people think is, oh, I need all kinds of fancy equipment and all kinds of fancy hardware and gear to make a YouTube channel. This misconception is often used as an excuse on why you haven't started already. The truth is, you don't need any kind of fancy equipment or hardware at all. In fact, buying expensive gear before you built up your channel at all is probably a bad idea, because your equipment isn't going to dictate how many views or subscribers you get. It's just not. The content is. So if you're making subpar content with all the nicest equipment, nobody's going to subscribe. That's just what it is. You have to start making videos with what you have, and you can upgrade over time, but there's no point in upgrading when you're still learning how to make YouTube videos. Yes, there is a baseline of equipment that you need, but to be honest, most of you are probably watching this on a device that's already above that bar. If you're watching on a smartphone, you have enough to start making YouTube videos. Like, take me for example. When I first started my channel, I was making YouTube videos on my Xbox One, and I was doing it with my iPhone. I was making my thumbnails on Snapchat. Don't even ask me how that's possible. Now, the second misconception here is that you need all kinds of fancy hardware. You need to know how to do Adobe Photoshop and how to use Adobe Premiere, and this costs money. No, I'm making this YouTube video right now on free software. I've still used HitFilm Express. It's free. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but it's got everything you could possibly need to start making YouTube videos on your computer. Now, say you have a Mac, you can use iMovie. I used iMovie for a long time too. You can use iMovie on your phone. You can start making videos very easily for free. There's all kinds of free software that is available to you guys that you guys can all use, and it doesn't cost anything. The third myth that I'm going to tackle is that it's too late to start a YouTube channel in 2021. It's oversaturated. Everybody's a YouTuber. You're not gonna make it. This is also used as an excuse on why you haven't started. Chances are, if you're watching this video, then you've probably thought about being a YouTuber before. Stop thinking about it and start trying it. Practice is learning, but learning isn't practice. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, you can watch all kinds of videos like this one about how to be a YouTuber, but if you aren't actually trying to make videos and publishing more videos, then you're never gonna make it. It doesn't matter if you watch this video 1,000 times. If you don't go and post a video after this, then you aren't going to be a YouTuber. That's kind of how it works. With every single upload, you'll learn new tips, new tricks, new editing styles, new everything. You'll gain confidence. You just got to post videos, okay? There are new channels popping up every single day. And in 2020, I went from 1,000 subscribers to 40,000 subscribers, and it's never too late to get started. But the best time to get started is right now. Leave a comment for me and tell me down in the comments, how many YouTube videos have you uploaded? 1, 5, 10, 20, 100, 1,000? Let me know. That is all I have for this one. This was Yerk with your key tips to grow on YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, stay up.